What about traditional marketing? We talked a lot about social media, but is there any traditional stuff that you guys are doing, whether that be mailers, flyers, and is it working? Is it still worth spending money on?
So we do door hangers and still go door to door, but we double print them. So one side is our wash and fold service with a coupon code that's unique to that. So we can track it because if it's not getting measured, it's not getting done. Okay. Remember that one, y'all. There's some truth bombs today. People are just throwing them
Yeah.
out. That's one of them. If it's not getting measured, it's not getting done, nor are you going to see any results. So you have to have a code printed on that. And then on the other side, it is our laundromat side. And it gives them how to download their app. They get a free $5 if they download their app and they come in and use that service. So again, another code that we can track who is getting those. So if you're going to be investing in old school marketing, traditional marketing, at least make it worth your dollar. And so depending on what neighborhood we're going to by zip code, it depends on how we place that door hanger on the door. If we're in apartment complexes, if we're in trailer parks, we've even done RV parks because we get a lot of travelers where we're at. When we put those in there, forward facing is laundromat. When we go into the country club, we have wash and fold facing out. And it has worked beautiful for us. So we see about a 6 to 7% return, which is in traditional paper methods, your usual return is like 1 to 2%. So don't be scared to go to paper. Don't be scared to do something like that because some of your traditional methods still work. So
I agree 1,000%
Okay.
on that. Oh, I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to interrupt.
Oh, no, you're fine. Go right ahead.
I have consistently for the entire time I've owned my laundromat, I don't think I've ever missed 1 month. I do traditional, there's a coupon booklet that my shopping center puts out. Again, my landlord takes part in it as well, and it's all different stores inside our shopping center. So it's a coupon booklet that hits, I believe, unless they've changed the numbers, about 18,000 homes in a geographic area near us. And it positively still works after all these years. And sadly, because I've been doing this for so long, I'm not tracking it like I used to. I used to literally track every single phone call that came in. But I can tell you this, every single time one of those goes out, and I'm not even aware when it goes out, my calls increase. I get a huge influx of phone calls, people asking questions about our wash dry fold service. So in other words, yes, traditional marketing does still work. Those people hold on to those things. Some might throw them out, but they'll throw them on their kitchen counter. They'll remember they went through it and go, oh yeah, I have this blanket or rug or sleeping bag or whatever. It doesn't fit in my machine at home. I remember there's a laundromat in that shopping center, and they'll go through it and then they'll call me even a month later, whenever after it's gone out. So it has always worked for me.
Any other ladies
And
have?
one thing I wanted to add, sorry, off of Hannah, she mentioned trailer parks. That made me remember. We have a few customers for the wash, dry, fold in trailer parks and campgrounds. So we're around Lake Murray. It's like the biggest lake in the state. So we have a lot of Airbnbs and campgrounds, that type of thing. We have actually put up banners after speaking with owners of the campground and trailer park because we're already there anyway, making stops. So it's something that we advertise to the rest of their community, and it gets the word out, and that's helped us grow there as well since we're in the area.
I love it.
I'll say this. It kind of goes back to a social LinkedIn post from the other day around wrapping vehicles, but it's not traditional. It's probably non-traditional, but the strangest thing that I've ever done in terms of marketing was park our van out at the college on their homecoming day. We paid for parking like $25 and parked it out there for 2 days and just watched the phone calls come in just from parking the van that's wrapped out in the parking lot on game day.
I love that.
It was a shot in the dark, but it kind of worked.
I love that.